Warescape Red Online Training. Introduction to Warescape Red. Warescape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to streamline and accelerate the development, deployment, and maintenance of data infrastructure. It provides a graphical interface that allows users to visually design, build, and manage data warehouse and data marts. Here's a brief introduction to its key features and functionalities. Automated code generation. Warescape Red automates the generation of SQL code for building and maintaining data warehouse. This significantly reduces manual coding efforts and speeds up the development process. Metadata management. It maintains metadata about the entire data warehouse environment, including tables, columns, relationships, transformations, and business rules. This metadata-driven approach ensures consistency and accuracy across the data warehouse. Visual interface. The tool offers a user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface for designing data models, defining data transformations, and orchestrating ETL, extract, transform, load processes. This makes it easier for both technical and non-technical users to collaborate on data warehouse development. Version control. Warescape Red integrates with version control systems, allowing teams to track changes made to the data warehouse over time. This ensures transparency, accountability, and the ability to roll back to previous versions if needed. Automated documentation. It automatically generates documentation for the data warehouse, including data lineage, data dependencies, and data transformation logic. This helps in understanding the data architecture and facilitates compliance with regulatory requirements. Incremental loading. Warescape Red supports incremental data loading techniques, which enable efficient updates to the data warehouse without reloading the entire dataset. This is particularly useful for handling large volumes of data with minimal downtime. Integration with existing systems. It seamlessly integrates with various data sources and platforms, such as relational databases, data lakes, and cloud storage services. This allows organizations to leverage their existing infrastructure investments. Scalability and performance. Warescape Red is designed to scale with the evolving needs of the organization. It optimizes SQL code for performance and can handle complex data transformations efficiently. Getting started with Warescape Red. Installation. Begin by installing Warescape Red on your system. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for installation. Getting familiar with the interface. Once installed, spend some time familiarizing yourself with the Warescape Red interface. Explore the different tabs, menus, and options available. Creating a project. Start by creating a new project within Warescape Red. A project serves as a container for all the objects related to your data warehouse development. Building data models. Use Warescape Red to design and build your data models. You can create tables, views, indexes, and other database objects using a visual interface. Defining data flows. Define the data flows within your data warehouse using Warescape Red. You can specify how data moves from source systems to your data warehouse, how it's transformed, and where it's stored. Automating processes. Take advantage of Warescape Red's automation capabilities to automate various aspects of your data warehouse development process. This includes generating SQL code, scheduling jobs, and deploying changes to production. Testing and validation. Test and validate your data warehouse using Warescape Red. Perform unit tests, integration tests, and user acceptance tests to ensure the accuracy and reliability of your data. Documentation. Document your data warehouse using Warescape Red. You can generate documentation automatically, including data lineage, data dictionaries, and process flow diagrams. Deployment. Deploy your data warehouse to production using Warescape Red. You can deploy changes incrementally or in bulk, depending on your requirements. Monitoring and maintenance. Monitor and maintain your data warehouse using Warescape Red. Monitor performance, troubleshoot issues, and make enhancements as needed. Training and support. Take advantage of training resources and support offered by Warescape to enhance your skills and address any challenges you encounter. Continuous improvement. Continuously improve your data warehouse development process using Warescape Red. Gather feedback, identify areas for improvement, and implement best practices to optimize your workflow. Understanding the basics of Warescape Red. Warescape Red is a data warehouse automation tool that helps streamline the development, deployment, and management of data warehouse and data-driven solutions. Here's a basic rundown of its key components and functionalities. Data modeling. Warescape Red allows users to visually design their data warehouse model using a drag-and-drop interface. Users can define tables, relationships, and attributes easily. Automation. One of the core features of Warescape Red is its automation capabilities. It generates SQL code for building, population, and managing the data warehouse based on the defined data model. This automation significantly reduces the time and effort required for development. Workflow orchestration. Warescape Red provides tools for managing the entire life cycle of a data warehouse project, from development to deployment and maintenance. It allows users to define and schedule workflows for tasks such as loading data, executing transformations, and generating reports. Metadata management. The tool maintains metadata throughout the data warehouse development process. This includes information about data sources, transformations, and business rules, which helps in documentation and impact analysis. Version control. Warescape Red integrates with version control systems like Git, enabling collaborative development and ensuring that changes to the data warehouse are tracked and managed effectively. Code generation. It automatically generates optimized SQL code for various database platforms, including Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, and others, based on the defined data model. This code can be customized to meet specific requirements. Deployment automation. Warescape Red automates the deployment process, allowing users to deploy changes to the data warehouse quickly and reliably. It handles tasks such as schema generation, data loading, and index creation. Performance optimization. The tool includes features for optimizing the performance of the data warehouse, such as indexing recommendations and query optimization. Exploring Warescape Red's interface. Warescape Red is a comprehensive data warehouse automation tool that provides a user-friendly interface for designing, building, deploying, and managing data infrastructure. Let's explore its interface. Project Explorer. This typically appears on the left-hand side of the interface and provides a hierarchical view of your projects, including folders, files, and objects like tables, views, and workflows. Design Canvas. In the center of the interface, you'll find the Design Canvas where you can visually design your data warehouse environment. This could include creating tables, defining relationships, designing data flows, and building workflows. Properties Panel. Usually located on the right-hand side of the interface, the Properties panel displays detailed information and configuration options for the currently selected object or component on the design canvas. You can modify properties here to customize your data structures and processes. Toolbar. At the top of the interface, you'll find a toolbar with various tools and shortcuts for common actions such as saving, validating, generating code, and executing workflows. Menu bar. The menu bar typically contains drop-down menus with additional options for managing projects, configuring settings, and accessing documentation or help resources. Status bar. Located at the bottom of the interface, the status bar provides information about the current status of tasks, processes, and any notifications or alerts. Data Flow Editor. Within the design canvas, you may have a specific area for designing data flows. Here, you can visually define how data moves through your data warehouse, including extraction, transformation, and loading processes. Workflow Designer. WhereScape Red often includes a workflow designer for orchestrating and scheduling various tasks and processes within your data environment. This allows you to automate complex workflows and dependencies. Query Editor. Some versions of WhereScape Red include a built-in query editor for writing and executing SQL queries directly within the interface. This can be handy for ad hoc analysis or troubleshooting. Integration points. Depending on your setup, WhereScape Red might offer integration points with other tools and platforms, allowing you to seamlessly connect to external data sources, business intelligence tools, or data visualization platforms. Automating data workflows with WhereScape Red. WhereScape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to streamline the development, deployment, and maintenance of data infrastructure. It automates the process of building and managing data warehouse, allowing organizations to accelerate their time to value and reduce manual effort. Here's how it works. Metadata-driven approach. WhereScape Red uses a metadata-driven approach to data warehouse development. Users define their data infrastructure requirements using metadata, such as data sources, transformations, and business rules. This metadata drives the generation of the necessary code and scripts to implement the data infrastructure. Visual Design Environment. WhereScape Red provides a visual design environment where users can model their data infrastructure using drag-and-drop tools. This makes it easy for developers and analysts to design and modify data workflows without writing code manually. Code generation. Once the data infrastructure is designed in the visual environment, WhereScape Red generates the necessary code and scripts to implement it. This includes code for loading data from source systems, transforming it according to business rules, and storing it in the data warehouse. Automation. WhereScape Red automates many aspects of the data workflow, including data loading, transformation, and deployment. This reduces the need for manual intervention and allows developers to focus on higher-value tasks. Integration: WhereScape Red integrates with a variety of data sources, including relational databases, flat files, and cloud-based data services. This allows organizations to leverage their existing data assets and integrate them into their data infrastructure. Version control and collaboration: WhereScape Red provides version control and collaboration features, allowing multiple users to work on the same data infrastructure simultaneously. This helps teams coordinate their efforts and maintain consistency across the data workflow. Integrating data sources with WhereScape Red. WhereScape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to streamline the development, deployment, and management of data infrastructure. Integrating data sources with WhereScape Red involves several steps. Identify data sources. Determine the sources of data you want to integrate into your data warehouse. These can include databases, flat files, APIs, or other systems. Data profiling and analysis. Understand the structure and content of the data sources. This includes identifying data types, relationships, and any transformations needed for integration. Connect data sources. WhereScape Red provides connectors for various data sources, allowing you to easily connect to them within the tool. Configure connections to your data sources using appropriate connection parameters. Import metadata. WhereScape Red allows you to import metadata from your data sources. This metadata includes information about tables, columns, data types, and relationships, which is used to generate the data warehouse schema. Design data warehouse. Use WhereScape Red's interface to design your data warehouse schema. This involves defining tables, relationships, keys, and other database objects based on the imported metadata and your requirements. Define data transformations. WhereScape Red provides a graphical interface for defining data transformations. Use this interface to create mappings, lookups, filters, and other transformations needed to extract, transform, and load data from source to target. Schedule jobs. Configure scheduling for your data integration jobs within WhereScape Red. Schedule jobs to run at appropriate intervals to keep your data warehouse up to date with the latest data from your sources. Testing and validation. Test your data integration processes thoroughly to ensure that data is being extracted, transformed, and loaded correctly. Validate the integrity and quality of data in your data warehouse. Deployment. Once testing is complete, deploy your data integration processes to your production environment using WhereScape Red. Monitor the execution of integration jobs and troubleshoot any issues that arise. Maintenance and monitoring. Regularly monitor and maintain your data integration processes to ensure they continue to run smoothly. Make any necessary adjustments to accommodate changes in source systems or data requirements. Visualizing data with WhereScape Red. WhereScape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to streamline and accelerate the development, deployment, and management of data infrastructure. While it's primarily focused on data modeling, ETL, extract, transform, load, processes, and metadata management, it doesn't provide native visualization capabilities like tools such as Tableau or Power BI. However, You can integrate Varescape Red with other visualization tools to create visualizations based on the data you've modeled and transformed within Varescape Red. Here's a general process you might follow. Data modeling. Use Varescape Red to model your data warehouse, defining the structure of your data including tables, relationships, and attributes. ETL development. Build ETL processes within Varescape Red to extract data from various sources, transform it according to your business logic, and load it into your data warehouse. Data loading. Varescape Red automates the process of loading data into your data warehouse, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Data integration. Integrate your data warehouse with a visualization tool of your choice, such as Tableau, Power BI, or Looker. Visualization development. In your chosen visualization tool, connect to your data warehouse and create visualizations such as charts, graphs, and dashboards to analyze and present your data. Varescape Red for data management beginners. Varescape Red is a comprehensive data automation tool designed to streamline the development, deployment, and operation of data infrastructure. It's especially beneficial for data management beginners as it provides a user-friendly interface and automates many aspects of the data lifecycle process. Here's how it can benefit beginners. Visual interface. Varescape Red offers a visual interface that allows users to design, model, and manage their data infrastructure without needing extensive coding knowledge. This makes it accessible to beginners who may not have advanced programming skills. Automation. One of the key features of Varescape Red is its automation capabilities. It automates many repetitive tasks involved in data management, such as data integration, data warehouse construction, and documentation generation. This frees up beginners to focus on understanding their data and deriving insights from it rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Rapid development. With Varescape Red, beginners can quickly develop and deploy data infrastructure solutions. The platform generates code behind the scenes, allowing users to build data warehouse, data marts, and other data structures rapidly. Data governance. Varescape Red includes features for data governance, such as metadata management and lineage tracking. Beginners can use these features to ensure data quality, compliance, and traceability within their organizations. Scalability. As beginners gain more experience and their data management needs grow, Varescape Red can scale with them. The platform supports large-scale data environments and can handle complex data integration and transformation processes. Community support. Varescape has an active user community where beginners can find resources, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences. This can be invaluable for newcomers looking to expand their knowledge and skills in data management. Varescape Red, building data pipelines made easy. Varescape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to simplify and accelerate the process of building, deploying, and managing data pipelines. It offers a graphical interface that allows users to visually design, generate, and maintain data infrastructure without requiring extensive coding or manual scripting. The key features of Varescape Red include Visual Design Interface. Users can design data pipelines using a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to visualize the flow of data and relationships between different components. Automated code generation. Verscape Red automatically generates the necessary code, SQL, scripts, etc., to implement the data pipelines based on the user's design. This eliminates the need for manual coding, reducing errors and saving time. Rapid deployment. Once the data pipelines are designed and generated, Verscape Red facilitates rapid deployment to production environments, streamlining the process of moving from development to deployment. Version control and documentation. The tool provides version control capabilities, allowing users to track changes to their data infrastructure over time. It also generates documentation to ensure that the data pipelines are well documented and easy to understand for other team members. Integration with existing systems. Verscape Red can integrate with various data sources and platforms, including traditional databases, data warehouse, and big data platforms, enabling organizations to leverage their existing infrastructure investments. How does Verscape Red streamline data infrastructure? Verscape Red is a data warehouse automation tool designed to streamline the development, deployment, and maintenance of data infrastructure. Here's how it helps. Automation. Verscape Red automates many of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks involved in building data infrastructure, such as coding, scripting, and documentation. This automation significantly reduces development time and eliminates manual errors. Rapid prototyping. It allows users to quickly prototype data infrastructure solutions. With its drag-and-drop interface and pre-built templates, users can build prototypes in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Code generation. Verscape Red generates the necessary code for various stages of the data infrastructure life cycle, including data extraction, transformation, and loading, ETL, as well as for building data models and metadata management. This reduces the need for manual coding and ensures consistency across the infrastructure. Version control. It provides version control capabilities, allowing teams to manage changes to their data infrastructure over time. This ensures that all team members are working with the latest version of the infrastructure and can track changes made by different users. Collaboration. Verscape Red facilitates collaboration among team members by providing a centralized platform where they can work together on the development and maintenance of data infrastructure projects. This improves communication, reduces silos, and fosters a more efficient development process. Scalability. It is designed to scale with the needs of the organization, allowing users to easily scale their data infrastructure as their data volumes and processing requirements grow. How does Verscape Red support agile data warehousing? Automated development. Verscape Red automates much of the development process for data warehouse and data marts. This automation significantly reduces the time and effort required to design, develop, and deploy these structures, allowing teams to iterate quickly and respond to changing requirements. Metadata-driven approach. Verscape Red uses a metadata-driven approach, which means that changes to the data warehouse structure can be made at a high level through metadata definitions rather than manual coding. This approach facilitates agility by enabling rapid changes and updates to the data warehouse without extensive rework. Rapid prototyping. With Verscape Red, developers can quickly prototype data warehouse solutions and iterate on them based on feedback from stakeholders. This allows for faster validation of requirements and ensures that the final solution meets the needs of the business. Collaboration. Wherescape Red provides features for collaboration among team members, allowing developers, data architects, and business users to work together seamlessly throughout the development process. This collaboration helps ensure that everyone is aligned on project goals and can contribute their expertise to the project. Version control. Wherescape Red includes version control capabilities, which enable teams to track changes to the data warehouse structure over time and revert to previous versions if needed. This feature is essential for maintaining the agility of the development process while ensuring the integrity and consistency of the data warehouse. What are the advantages of using Wherescape Red over traditional ETL methods? Automation. Wherescape Red automates much of the ETL process, reducing the need for manual coding and scripting. This automation can significantly accelerate development time and reduce the potential for errors. Rapid development. With its visual interface and automation features, Wherescape Red enables rapid development of data infrastructure. This is particularly beneficial in agile environments where quick iteration and deployment are essential. Metadata management. Wherescape Red provides robust metadata management capabilities, allowing users to easily track and document data transformations. This can improve transparency, collaboration, and compliance with data governance standards. Scalability. Wherescape Red is designed to handle large-scale data projects, making it suitable for enterprise-level applications. Its ability to generate optimized SQL code can also help improve performance and scalability. Simplicity. Compared to traditional ETL methods, Wherescape Red offers a more user-friendly and intuitive interface. This can lower the learning curve for developers and empower teams to focus more on business logic and less on technical implementation details. Flexibility. Wherescape Red supports various data sources and targets, including traditional databases, data warehouse, and big data platforms. This flexibility allows organizations to integrate data from diverse sources and adapt to changing business requirements. Cost effectiveness. By automating repetitive tasks and streamlining development processes, Wherescape Red can help reduce overall project costs. Additionally, its scalability and performance optimization features can contribute to lower infrastructure costs over time. What industries benefit most from Wherescape Red? Wherescape Red is a data warehouse automation tool that streamlines the development, deployment, and operation of data infrastructure. It's particularly beneficial for industries where data plays a crucial role in decision-making and operational efficiency. Some industries that benefit the most from Wherescape Red include finance and banking. Financial institutions deal with vast amounts of data daily, including customer transactions, market data, and regulatory reporting. Wherescape Red helps streamline data integration, enabling faster reporting and analytics for risk management, fraud detection, and customer insights. Retail and e-commerce. Retailers and e-commerce companies rely heavily on data to understand customer behavior, manage inventory, optimize pricing, and personalize marketing efforts. Warescape Red facilitates the integration of various data sources to create a comprehensive view of customer interactions and preferences. Healthcare. In the healthcare industry, data-driven decision-making is essential for patient care, resource allocation, and research. Warescape Red can help healthcare organizations integrate data from electronic health records, EHRs, medical devices, and research databases to improve clinical outcomes and operational efficiency. Telecommunications. Telecom companies collect large volumes of data from network operations, customer interactions, and market trends. Warescape Red enables telecom providers to efficiently manage and analyze this data for network optimization, customer service improvements, and targeted marketing campaigns. Manufacturing and supply chain. Manufacturing companies use data to optimize production processes, manage supply chain logistics, and forecast demand. Warescape Red can streamline the integration of data from sensors, production equipment, and enterprise systems to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. Government and public sector. Government agencies and public sector organizations use data for policymaking, program evaluation, and service delivery. Warescape Red can help these organizations integrate data from various sources to improve transparency, accountability, and decision-making across departments. Energy and utilities. Energy and utility companies generate vast amounts of data from power plants, grid operations, and customer billing systems. Warescape Red can assist these companies in integrating data to optimize energy production, monitor infrastructure health, and enhance customer service. Insurance. Insurance companies rely on data to assess risk, underwrite policies, and process claims efficiently. Warescape Red can help insurers integrate data from multiple sources to improve risk modeling, claims processing, and customer service. What are the best practices for implementing Warescape Red? Implementing Warescape Red involves several best practices to ensure efficiency, maintainability, and scalability of your data warehouse development process. Here are some key practices. Understand the data warehouse design. Before diving into implementation, ensure a thorough understanding of your data warehouse design. This includes knowledge of the source systems, data structures, business requirements, and data integration needs. Start with a proof of concept. POC. Begin with a small-scale project or proof of concept to familiarize yourself with Warescape Red's capabilities and how it fits your organization's needs. Follow data warehouse lifecycle methodologies. Adhere to established data warehouse lifecycle methodologies such as Kimball or Inman to ensure a structured approach to design, development, testing, and deployment. Leverage automation. Warescape Red emphasizes automation in data warehouse development. Utilize its automation features to generate code, scripts, and documentation automatically, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency. Standardize naming conventions and documentation. Establish standardized naming conventions for objects within your data warehouse, tables, columns, keys, etc., and maintain comprehensive documentation to facilitate understanding and collaboration among team members. Version control. Implement version control for your Warescape Red projects to track changes, manage code versions, and facilitate collaboration among developers. Modularized development. Break down your data warehouse development into modular components or modules. This approach promotes reusability, scalability, and easier maintenance. Incremental development. Adopt an incremental development approach, focusing on delivering incremental value with each iteration or release. This allows for quicker feedback loops and enables adjustments based on evolving business requirements. Performance optimization. Pay attention to performance optimization throughout the development process. Use Warescape Red's built-in performance optimization features and techniques such as indexing, partitioning, and query tuning to ensure efficient data processing. Testing and quality assurance. Implement thorough testing and quality assurance processes to validate data accuracy, integrity, and performance. Utilize Warescape Red's testing capabilities and conduct both unit and integration testing. What role does automation play in Warescape Red? Warescape Red is a data warehouse automation tool that streamlines the development, deployment, and operation of data infrastructure. Automation is at the core of Warescape Red's functionality, playing a crucial role in several aspects. Accelerated development. Warescape Red automates the coding process for building data warehouse, eliminating much of the manual coding traditionally required. This significantly speeds up the development cycle, allowing teams to deliver projects in a fraction of the time it would take with manual methods. Consistency and standards. Automation ensures consistency in the development process by enforcing predefined standards and best practices. This reduces the risk of errors and inconsistencies that can arise when different developers follow varying approaches. Metadata management. Warescape Red automatically generates and maintains metadata throughout the data warehouse life cycle. This metadata provides valuable documentation and lineage information, facilitating easier management and understanding of the data infrastructure. Deployment automation. With Warescape Red, deployment processes are automated, allowing for seamless deployment of changes to the data warehouse environment. This reduces the potential for deployment errors and minimizes downtime during updates. Operational automation. Warescape Red also provides automation for routine operational tasks such as data loading, data profiling, and data quality checks. This frees up valuable time for data professionals to focus on more strategic tasks rather than mundane, repetitive activities. Why choose ProExcellency for Warescape Red online training? ProExcellency offers Warescape Red online training because of several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency boasts a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in Warescape Red and its applications. They can provide comprehensive training tailored to individual needs. Customized curriculum. Their training programs are designed to cater to various skill levels, from beginners to advanced users. This ensures that participants can learn at their own pace and grasp the concepts effectively. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency's training methodology typically involves hands-on exercises and real-world scenarios, allowing participants to gain practical experience alongside theoretical knowledge. Flexibility. Online training provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and location. Participants can access the training sessions from anywhere with an internet connection, making it convenient for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Support. ProExcellency offers ongoing support even after the completion of the training program. Participants can reach out for assistance or clarification on concepts they learned during the training. Affordability. ProExcellency's training programs are competitively priced, making them accessible to individuals and organizations with varying budgets. Thank you.